Hi, I'm Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to add extra options to the booking form in the WPRentals team. Extra options are useful when you want guests to choose additional services during the booking process. For example, you can add options like breakfast, extra sheet, airport pickup, cleaning services, or other paid service connected to a listing. Once these options are added, guests will see them directly in the booking form as optional checkboxes. First, we need to make sure that extra booking option field is enabled for the property submission. From WordPress dashboard, go to Team Options, go to Add Listing Page and Payment Settings, go to Listing Submission Form. Here check the fields in the Select the Field for Listing Submission section. Make sure that the extra booking options field is enabled. This step is important because the field allows owners to add extra paid options when editing or submitting a new property. After the field is enabled, go to Front End, User Dashboard, My Listings. The option to add extra booking elements can be managed only from front-end submission form. In this video I will show an example by editing an existing property, but you'll have the same options when you add a new property. Edit the property where you want to add the extra options. The extra options are managed individually for each property, so you can have different options for different listings. Open Price Settings, scroll down until you find Extra Options. This is the section. First, add the option name. Next, add the option value. This value must be a numerical value, and it will be used by the booking system to calculate the extra cost when the guest selects that option. Now choose how the option should be calculated. The WPRentals team gives you several calculation types. The first is single fee. Use this when the extra cost should be added only once to the booking. The second option is per night. Use this when the extra cost should be multiplied by the number of the booked nights. The third option is by guest. Use this when the extra cost depends on the number of guests. And the last option is per night per guest. Use this when the extra cost depends on both the booking duration and the number of guests. I will set it as a single fee and click Add Option button. The extra option is added. You'll need to save the changes made. And now on front end, the extra option you added will appear in the booking form. Guests can select the option they want by checking the checkbox. When selected, the extra cost will be included in the booking calculation based on the calculation type that you choose. This feature is useful when you want to offer paid extras like breakfast, parking, or other optional services connected to a rental listing. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.